Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Free Fire Max keeps crashing in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. The other thing that you can try and do is simply head over to the settings on your device. Once you're here, tap on apps, tap on Free Fire, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Free Fire and try again, as corrupt cache may sometimes be causing the problem. Also, sometimes it may be due to low storage. For that, simply head back over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, what you'll have to do is tap on storage and make sure that you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free space, or else you can try clearing some apps, games or videos. And if that does not work, simply head over to Play Store and update Free Fire to the latest version, as that too may be causing the problem. If that does not work, simply head over to your app drawer, search for Free Fire, long press on it, uninstall it, and perform a clean install from the Play Store. Also, do make sure that your device is updated and your device specs match the minimum requirements for Free Fire. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.